Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I will be creating a new video tutorial regarding Gcash. And so in this tutorial, I will be showing you how to pay your home credit loan or billables using Gcash. And by the way, if you're new to my channel or bago ka pa lang dito, please consider liking and subscribing to this video and to my YouTube channel to get updated with the latest video na ina-upload ko every week. Ayun. So, first thing is open your Gcash app, of course. So this is the dashboard, and you just go to the pay bills option. So go to pay bills, and then just search home credit dito sa pinopoint ko yung more icon. So click mo lang siya, and then dito sa search bar, this is the search bar, type mo lang home credit, yan, and then select home credit. So good thing is home credit payment via Gcash is posted real time. So that's a good thing, guys, kasi before posted siya 2 to 3 business days. Ngayon real time na siya. So, ito yung mga information na kailangan mong i-input. So, you have the reference number. So, this one, yung 10 digits reference number, tingnan niyo yung billings nyo, kung ano yung reference number mo. And then, yung phone number mo. And then, yung amount, kung magkano yung babayarin mo sa home credit. And then, the email. So this is optional, but this is a good mas maganda kung may email siya, kasi this is where the confirmation receipt will be sent, and maganda rin na may record tayo ng mga binabayaran natin sa Gcash. Ayun. So once na input mo na siya, just click on next right here. And then, after clicking on next, may makikita kayong confirm button doon. So, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. Ito yung reference number natin. And then, the phone number is 0905. And gawa-gawa ko lang to, guys. So, and then, buy 10 ng 200. And then, optional lang naman yung email. So, let's leave it as it is. Click on next. Ayan. So, ito yung makikita mo after clicking on next. So, if all good naman yung in-input mong mga information, so, just click confirm. And there's a note here na my service charge yung pagbabayad. Minsan, yung ibang billers, may service fee siya. I think home credit is 15 pesos yung service fee niya. So, if your if yung due mo is billing due mo is 200, so yung babayaran mo in total is 215 siya. So, mas convenient na, instead of ikaw pupunta ka sa isang bayad center or payment center or whatever na mamamasahe ka pa, diba? So, better na to. So, yon. So, confirm mo lang, then makaka-receive ka na ng receipt and also text. And make sure, before you pay your bills, dapat may enough kang funds, okay? So, makikita mo naman yung balance mo dito sa dashboard mo eh. Yan. Ayun. So, that's it for this tutorial. So I hope na nakatulong ito sa inyo, and if nakatulong to, please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And see you guys in the next video for more tutorial videos. So this is Celine Canuela signing off. Bye bye.